Hey guys, this is the 1983 Wellcraft. It is a 23-foot aft cabin. I think they got a 230 aft Wellcraft. There's a V8 in it. It's pretty badass. So today I'm going to show you how to winterize your boats. So let's get into it. Hey folks, today we will be using our winterization kit that we made. So we're going to go ahead and hook this up. We're going to get the hose hooked to the bucket to the ears with the hose. And then we're going to put some stable into our fuel tank over here. And then we'll start adding our antifreeze and running it into the engine. So I think this was a more productive way to winterize your boat than pulling all the hoses and everything inside there. That just seemed really complicated. This seemed pretty simple, so let's go with this method. Stay with me, we'll get it done. Oh, no! I'm gonna have to use the other end. So we're wanting to do about half the bottle because this treats 40 gallons, it said. And we've got about 20 gallons on board. Now that we've made a mess, we'll have to clean it up a little bit. Let's keep going. Okay, we're going to start the boat. There she goes. Let's jump down real quick. Alright, she's running. That didn't work. So it wasn't coming out at first. I got worried the motor was going to get warm, not getting any fluid at all. So I got up there, shut it off, and then down here, was able to get the fluid flowing like it should be. And then I jumped back up to start the boat. It wouldn't start again. Battery is just too low, I guess. I don't know. I've got the maintainer right here. This is a trickle charger for the batteries. Automatic battery float charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that and let it sit overnight. Fingers crossed, man. Tomorrow we can do this. I'm gonna just backflow all that back into the jugs because I've got half a bucket here waiting to go, and it's got a little drip. So if I leave it, there'll be nothing left in the morning. It'll be out $15. We'll drain it back. Let's try this again tomorrow. Got to tomorrow. All right, guys. Got it working today. You can see the water coming out here, nice and white. We've got antifreeze coming in here, right through here. So when this turns the same color as this, then we know our block's full. We can see it's starting to get a little pinker now. But we've got our jug up there, about half full of marine antifreeze. We've got the hose running down, around this jug a few times, and then down to the ears. until that turns nice and pink. That should get all the water out of the block and all the antifreeze in the block. So we got 3 gallons in there right now. 1, 2, 3. About right here on the level, so we're gonna put the 4th one in now. But it seems to take a long time. Okay, that's 4. I do see some more pink coming out of here. See that? Getting a little pinker. That's what we want. While that's doing that, we'll go up and check the temp. Oh, about 120 right now, so we're doing good. Doing good. Everything's looking good. Volts are way up. Probably take the diesel truck off of it now. Guys, welcome back again. So this is Max. We found these glasses the other day. Awesome glasses. But we're really going to talk about the swag. These are some of the shirts my wife's doing over at D's Designs. You guys got to check her out. She can do just about anything you want, custom. Hey, and like always, don't bite the hand that feeds you. And if this video helped you out, please throw a thumbs up.